You so fucking precious when you smile. Take my breath away. Take my breath away.
This is Sky. She's born deaf. And when it's time to go for a walk, she doesn't understand. This is how we tell her. We just thought the world should see this.
Down.
Come here. Come here. Who did that? Is that you? Who did that? Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come. Let's go. Bongo. Hey. Hey. Roscoe.
What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs?
Hey there, I heard you were feeling kind of sad, so I wanted to bring something that would help you feel a little better. Wait. Hey, look.
You're getting a bath. Yeah, you are. Put him up. Did I say bang? Put him up. Put him up. Put him up. Put them up. Yeah? Juno! Juno! Hey! 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 Shh. Juno, I can't. Please open. Thank you! You're so pretty.
Hey guys, this is Daisy. Whoa, that was feisty. Well, hey guys, this is Queen Sushi on my hat, and I got DJ Ravioli in my hand. And look, you gotta ride the cat wave a little more. We gotta work on the cat drip. We gotta keep things cat-tastic. We gotta keep it kitty-litty. You know what I'm saying? Let's spread the cat love. We love you. Bye.
They said you look like Paw Patrol. How you feel?
I swear I look like Paw Patrol.
You don't look bad. You look cute. Don't let them fool you. You don't get mad at me. You look cute.
Dozer! Oh! What are you doing on the trampoline? It's winter! Look at your cute little face! It's a squishy one. Here's a pretzel. Oh. Alright, Doze, go ahead and eat it. Are we doing this again? Yep, we're doing it again. Cooter. I love you.
So I heard if you give your animal an egg, it knows to take care of it because it's super fragile. Oh. Later outside. Yes. Love you. Hi. Love you. Hi. You looking for more outside? Hello. Good morning. Good morning. You're very chubby.
I swear, I just poured a cup of milk. Where did I put it? Excuse me? Billy? Sir, that is not your milk. Damn it.
Roll over. Roll over. You almost did it. Ready? That's the wrong way. Don't fall off.
Timothy, I do not like how you're not... Hey, was that attitude? Did you just give me sass? Look at your brother over there. He's doing his thing, okay? He's being polite. What are you doing, huh? Look at this face!
Why are you eating one of the dinner guests? That's Simba. Why are you killing Simba? You are so dirty. I don't know why I give you baths before these videos, because it does no good, because you just roll in the dirt because you're ratchet. You killing Simba?
Damn, it really do be beautiful outside right now. But you know what it's not beautifuler than? It's not better beautifuler than you.
Did you know that you can't smile and say the word yellow at the same time? Try it. Okay, if I made you smile, like the video.